All right, welcome back to another exciting episode of Minetest gameplay of sorts. Yes, it is I. Okay, today we're going to look at the completed house, modern style house. Yeah, so let's go. And if you like what you see here, please consider liking and subscribing. It is greatly appreciated. First, we are going to take a quick fly around because it looks pretty cool. We got a little extension room, which I'll be showing, a garden on top of the roof. We're going to finish the basement. Somebody left a door open on the roof. Got a nice backyard pool area. Oh, very nice. All right. Might as well, where do I want to start? I don't know. Start on the first floor. It's always the best. Yeah, it turned out really cool. So hopefully everybody's having a great week. There's down to the driveway. I added some nice, I'm not sold on that window, but it looks cool on the inside. So we come in. I wish I had some real cool like house preview music like they do on the home network channels. Look at that. Let's just take that in. Yeah, so the kitchen's done. There's still some tweaks. Like everything. I'm always tweaking. But here's the completed bathroom. Cool. And you got to think that this is kind of like privacy glass. Go from there. So we got a full kitchen. I'm still playing around with the island. Different ideas on it. We have a little partition with papyrus. Nice little table, accents. The colors turned out really cool. So that's that. Let's go up to the upstairs. And no fancy chandelier. This is just very minimal, very, clean style. We come up here to the second floor. Got some nice seating area. Little flower section. I don't know what to call it. But the patio up here is really neat. And great views from everywhere. Look, my trees are swaying. We're going to see how much lag that puts on. But it's overlooking the pool and a little backyard area, which turned out really cool. I experimented with a bunch of different ideas. So let's go up to the roof real quick. And this area I didn't know what much to do with, but it turned out kind of cool. And then we have the little like Zen type or nice garden up top here with all the beautiful views of the area of the luxury hotel. You can imagine some seating up here. Just a nice area to come, sit, read a book, get sunburned, and everything. We have been, speaking of sunburn, we have been having the weirdest weather. I posted a real quick video on just playing around with slow motion. We had 3 inches of snow 2 days after I posted that video. And then the snow was all gone in a matter of, by the afternoon. So this is the master bedroom. So we have a little desk area. We have some nice little accents, seating, a cool bed, some pictures. And the pictures I've been playing around with. So you can see it looks like an oil painting. So without messing up the frame, I turned it into an oil painting. Cool. Yeah. So we come over here and we have the master bathroom. And I really played around with, I want to start using way more colors in my builds. So we have a real nice large shower with the cool European style mom and pop furniture shower head. Yes. And then here is just a changing room and wardrobe. That turned out cool. These are also from the furniture, mom and pop furniture mod, and I just put a countertop on them. Just to give them that little bit of whatever. Yes, it's just a game. So, it turned out great. I have to find out, I did my little trick here with the, you can see the glass didn't connect, which is really nice. So basically I built these 4 items over here and then just moved them with World Edit, moved them in, and they won't connect. I've been looking through the code. There's got to be a way to keep, this is L panes. There's got to be a way to like make a blacklist of things that won't connect to these windows. Like the only thing these windows will connect to is a full-size block. So I'm playing with that. But this is the master bedroom. And these lights, I may have overused them, but those are nice. So we come out here and I think it turned out really, really nice. The proportions of the house are not ideal. I could have went another 5 blocks out and that would have probably solved everything, but I don't know. It is what it is. And I hate using that phrase. So those are the main living floors. Now we're going to go down to the basement and that's what we're going to finish up today. So this is really cool. These lights. And there's a couple different variations on them. Let's see if I can locate it real quick. It's from Ambilights. And I'm particularly interested in that one. However, that one, we're going to see how that looks. And they all turn on, you punch them to turn them on and off. But they got some real cool designs. And then there's solid blocks. Yeah, you could do a lot with these, but I'm particularly, this one and this one here is the one that I'm going to play with today. And you got these neat tails. And it won't go away. I don't want to break it. So you can hang these tails off and it's listed as like a Chinese light, a Chinese lantern. But you can find a lot of really nice things to do with that. So we're going to play with that. Not that one, but you know what I mean. So I don't even know what I mean. The only thing left down here is the bathroom, and I'm going to leave this even though there's no faucet. I'm going to leave that. We're going to fix this real quick. And then we have this room over here. This is like a guest room. And these are curtains. And they hung real nice without connecting to the glass. And they give the impression of curtains. There is a curtain rod. So like I showed before, if you put the curtain rod, which takes a block above, and then you put these on there, when you click on them, they'll open. So that is an option too. And I still can't, I don't know what I'm going to do about this floor. I really do not know what I'm going to do about this floor. And over here, this door is going to be replaced by a stereo cabinet. So, yeah. So, let's show the garage real quick and then get going on it. So, the garage is a nice sized garage. Got some posters going on. Got some cabinets. Worked out really nice. little sink to wash up, a little dragon, washer, dryer, garbage can, everything you'd find. Everything you'd find in a garage. So let us get a vehicle. You know what? I'm tired of using the same one, so I'm going to use a Ferrari. And what haven't I used? Okay, I have not used a speedboat. Yeah, haven't used one of those. That's a Mazda. You know what? We're gonna do that. We're gonna give this house 2 cars. I could give it a tractor. No, I can't. So we are going to spawn that there. And then we are going to spawn this here. I'm going to clean that up momentarily. Because the Ferrari is the one that gets put in the garage. Okay, open up. There we go. And I am really not liking like I said before, there was a change in, I updated the vehicles mods, and I'm just going to leave this car here. Just straighten it out. I had made an update to my server, but I did not update the Minetest program. So you can see here, if I drop something, we get that effect of the curling effect, and it will just keep going until it hits a tree or something. And that's not, it never did that before. So, okay, so now we got some cars. I could probably put another car in here, but that's fine. It's a blue F40. And I am wasting time. I wanted these glass doors because I wanted them to be whoever down here to be able to look at their beautiful prized Ferrari. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try see how this looks. There's my oil painting. We're going to get rid of that for momentarily. I don't know. Let's try. I'm not going to place anything there, but what I want to do is I want to move that because I want to put a pool table in. This is good. It's going to be like a fun game type basement. So we're going to do this. You know, and I did it again. I have to lower that. That is looking really cool. Okay, we're going to go with that. We're going to go with that. I'm not going to lie. And we're going to go with this. I need this. I need one of those, and I need one of those. And I need some helper blocks. Because this will make everything all better. And then I need to sink into the floor. And I need to continuously update everybody on what's going on. This just makes it easier. This is why I love, ow, slow down. There we go. You can do it. How would you like to be known, the actor to be known for one single phrase for the rest of your career? And that's, you can do it. And I bet half the people can't even remember the actor's name. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to follow this. We're going to follow this around. And we're going to put one more. One more. Now, the real weird thing about the weather in Chicago, and you know, there's the old saying, if you don't like the weather. I messed up. If you don't like the weather, just wait 15 minutes and it will change. Actually, oh man, that actually looks kind of cool. All right. Real quickly, I'm gonna see how that looks. It added a whole different dimension to. It didn't look smooth, but we're gonna leave it like that just to play with it, because everything else can be tweaked and torqued and manipulated, and this kind of gives it a little bit of a little bit more character. Okay, so there is the bar. Yeah. And I like the lights. Oh, for whatever reason, that one got turned off. So we got that. Now for here, because I want to do two. So we're going to go here, and this is the end. I want that shelf. We're going to do something kind of cool here. I haven't got a clue of what I'm doing. But we will soon find out if this will work. Because I want that shelf. So I will gladly give up a space in the garage. Just adds character. So what we're going to do back here, I could go with, what could I go with here? That's going to stay open. What can I use? Okay, so we need this, and we need, you know what? I'm gonna go with that. So we have a counter. I don't need that. There's no corner. I have a counter, and I want a sink. There's the sink, and I need the faucet. What is that? A mirror. I don't need a mirror. That's a bathroom faucet. That's not what I need. I need the kitchen faucet. And I have no room. I need, come on, kitchen faucet. Real quickly, on that, that was stupid. On that Ambilight, I'll leave a link in the show description as always. Ambilight mod. And not really sure who created it. I have to find it here. There's the media authors. Because I did not find this on the Minetest website. I found this, and here's all the crafting guides for that. I found this on the Minetest Google Plus page. There should be, let's see what the GitHub page. Ska Manhole. Okay. So it's really cool. There's a lot of nice graphics and shapes. The paper, stone, and glass lights, and with the Chinese, you know, dragon tail. So you could do a lot of really cool stuff with that. The link will be in the show description here. So over here, and we have to carry this. I tell you, I am absolutely loving that replacer. That is just, and ever since I learned how to use it. So we are going to do that. I could actually go up one more, but I don't know what I'm going to put in here. And over here, we're going to put that there. I wonder, I'm going to play with the refrigerator. I just want to, that short refrigerator would look really cool. Now you see the problem is, I don't want to go with that. What I want to do, it's no offense to the mod. It's just that it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit what I wanted to accomplish here. So I'm going to go with my fallback, which is the black or the dark gray stained clay. And my signs. So I need a sign. And a hopper. Now, I don't really need to. I wonder how that's going to look. I also want to get, a towel. Because every bar needs a towel. But it's easier to put this stuff on. Now, there's a couple different ways that I usually play with this. This is one way, and that looks okay. Because you got that. But if I might go with the other way too, which gives the illusion of okay, I kind of need that. But I have other things I can do there. Okay. That does not look bad. As a and just put some kind of there we go. Just to give the appearance. So usually what I would do is I would go back into my circular saw and take that, and I would get this U block here. I'll show you what that does real quick, because it's kind of neat. There's a lot of different ways of making the illusion that you have a sink. So, you know what? That actually looks better. And then we can take this towel, take it off of here. We can use the sign here. And, ooh, do I know what I'm doing or not? No, I don't. I haven't got a clue. That looks really good. I like it. Okay, so we have a nice little bar. I'm going to, as much as I like this red, that's going to be changed out. I'm probably going to go with carpet and then do something like this over here. So that takes care of that. Somewhere in here, we're going to put some bar stools. You know what? I just want to set this. I've been using these for stools, but this is just going to be a placeholder. Can I do anything over here? I want to try. So we have that, and I'm going to play with the lighting. So a lot of this stuff is going to be done off camera, but it's basically you get the general idea of how this will play out. So we have that. We have the home theater system here. The problem with this is it might be a little bit too far back. I might actually go with this as flooring. These are from the CG Decor mod. Because I think the and I wanted to use one of these for a light over the pool table, but I tried that and it didn't look good. So there's going to be a table down here. I might put a computer desk over here, but I don't like it that close to the door. It doesn't matter, but this is my thought process. So real quickly, here's the outdoor area. I got my customary patio that I built out of all little planks and stuff like that. We have the Gas Pro grill. We have this nice little area here to break up the monotony of the concrete. We have some trees. Look at all the beehives. I should go into beehive business. Seriously. We have our garage. This is coming together real nicely. I don't want to keep tweaking on it. So let's finish the bathroom real quick, because I do not want to keep, and we're going to use the modern shower, and then I need a shower door here, and it has to be that. I don't think it's that one. Frosted glass. Oh. Where is it? All right, that'll work. So we are going to put a shower here, and let's see if that works. That's what I want. It's not what I want. That'll work. So how do I... I just need something for over there. So we're going to get rid of this. And I need that center. I usually use Vanessa Ease. There we go. I will use that. And then what I do, just to give the impression, there we go. We have a shower. Oops, why did I do that? Okay. Got some lighting. What else do I put in here real quick? You could just, the nice thing about this is you could just throw stuff. It'll look good. Really, it will. There we go. Everything looks better with a flower. And we're going to use their toilet paper. See if that goes there. And then just to get this done here, where's that? There is that. That's concrete microblock. We don't need that anymore. And I need my jungle grass. I really like the way that looks. Everything's subject to change. There we go. I should have put that up on a shelf. No biggie. It's just a bathroom. And it's done. So the bathroom is done. We have a full shower. Looks pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Let's get this room done real quick. There's my white wall. I think I have this, and it's just to. So what are we gonna do real quick? We're gonna put a wardrobe in, and we're gonna put a quick bed in. Probably gonna change the flooring in here too. So it's just a. It's just. All right, that's coming together real quickly. I'm just kind of and I need these. I need the castle doors because I played around with all of my. Okay, there's a wardrobe. And is that. Let's go with add some color. Got. Oh, I know what I'm going to do there. I know what I'm going to do there. I am. What is that? That. I love doing. That's not what I wanted. Oh, but I need that anyway. Now, did I throw it away? I bet you I did. So I need that. And you can hear my fans are absolutely going nuts. I don't know why. I love doing this because it adds so much to the bed. I could have put a little night table there, but yeah, that looks good. And over here, we're just going to put a very simple desk, and we're going to use my standby. And you there's a desk in home decor, which is a very nice desk, but I really enjoy custom making all my furniture. And like I said, you'll see my house is mixed with different different stuff. Monitor 1, monitor. I'm going to go with it. I am going to go with a desktop on this one. Like 1, 2, 3. Cool. And then I think I kind of boxed myself in there. So I'm going, oh, I did it again. Do you believe that? Ouch. So I want to use my own custom furnishings here. So we're going to put that here. I do need that. Yes. And before anybody says, because I know, wow, did I have an aneurysm there or something? I know that a couple people get, I don't know if it's get triggered or what when I do that. I know that to get through the hotbar, you could just press, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you could even do the B key and the N key to move through, or the mouse. But I don't know why I have that weird, that thing of just, I want to put some lights in. I can't put light there. Ooh, got dark. So we're just going to put them in the corner here. That might be a little too much for the lighting. There you go. I might change the floor. So what we have a nice bed. And I can put some pictures up. And there's the curtains. We have lighting. We have a nice little desk area here. And a computer. And then out here, what I want to do is I'm probably going to put a computer station over here. What I was talking about the game room is, let's say there's a pool table and there is let's see if it's under computer. There we go, a Tetris machine. So I want to kind of give it that, and then the pool table. See, the pool table doesn't look proportionate to everything else. So I'm wondering if I could put that here. No, that's too close, if anything. So we have a pool table. The only problem is the pool table is 2 nodes. Hi, Mr. Horsey. What I had, for whatever reason, it looks really strange when I use these blocks as a light over the pool table. So the pool table doesn't look proportional, so that might go. But yeah, it's too small. So we are not going to use it. Instead, I'm going to leave the Tetris machine. I'm going to see if I can also create a pinball machine. And then over here is going to be a desk for computer. Then there's going to be I have the seating over here. I was thinking about putting up a partition. And then just pictures on the wall. So what we are going to do here is we're just going to, oh, this is perfect. So for that, if I go back into my table saw and grab that, and I have my other here. So I want that to go here. And we're going to do and then we're going to call this episode Done and Dusted. We're going there, and then this one goes here. So then you can listen to me just ramble, and yeah. That is done. I'm going to change the computer, but you kind of get the idea of this one we're just going to leave on a screensaver. I'm going to play with that because I want to put in now you see this is a very small desk. I kind of don't like that there. No. And I don't, the reason why is I don't want to bring it all the way over here. I could also do this. Maybe bring it out one more. I threw that out, didn't I? I threw it out. Let's see if this works on here. Oh, look at that. It did. So I can actually take that. So that's my thought process. Apparently somebody did not like my last video on it. that solves that. So we can put that there and go to the screensaver, and then out here I can do my little trick with my chairs. Yes, I do like my office chairs because it just gives it that much more of the Minetest and block building game experience. Okay, so that looks a lot better. My choice of now, the real cool thing about this is any wood that can go into the circular saw can be changed. So on that note, it's like I said, you can change the wood color. You can use different woods. You can use, we're gonna throw it here. I'm gonna change all this over possibly to the laptop mod, the computer mod. So we are going to put in, we are going to give this a cool gaming setup here. Why? I don't know. I like 3 monitors. So that's overkill. That's overkill. I know it's overkill. So we're going to leave it 2. All right. So I am going to have to change this floor. Real quickly before I let you guys go. So we have this block and this one. No, this one. Yeah, that one. So this is the light and that's the dark. You know what would look really good is we're going to change this. We're going to give it some character here. And the reason why I did this is to make it gives the impression of like a rug type deal. So that will go here. It does give the impression of like a tiled floor. The red, I like that idea as a floor. However, I don't think it just doesn't look. And you know what I really should have used for here is those stone tiles, but I use those in a lot of different builds. But that can be changed. So what we are going to do, that almost created a kind of cool look at that. That's kind of neat. I am liking these decorative blocks. I'm wondering if it just sets everything apart. And I probably will change the desk material because to just give it more contrast. Ooh, it let me do it. Nothing more weird than changing a block. All right, so this is going to wrap it up. You can see my thought process on how I build and how it compares to how other people build. Oh, that is nice. I like the dullness of the red. It looks like carpet. However, see now, yeah, I'm going to have to change that because that, I don't know. I might have went, whenever you solve one problem, there's always the chance of creating another problem. So you solve one problem, but it opens up a whole new other. I like that. I really do. What I might do, I'm going to have to change those. And you know what? That's under here. There's different, I believe there's different colors. So let's go with, let's play real quick. You guys in a hurry to to click off the video? You would have already clicked off the videos. So let's look at how that was stupid, wasn't it? That's an orange one. And that's, I like the orange one. So we're going to play with that for a while and see how that looks. We have some bar stools. This kind of, you know, it's fine. I like the garage. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweak this some more, play with it. I want to put a fish tank down here of some kind, a room divider with, there's going to be more seating over here to make this area look really nice, and play with the flooring a little bit more on mixing in different colors. But, and I might change this to all one level just to give it that much more of a look. But that is going to do it. This is what the red one looks like. I like the orange because the orange matches, and if that's too much, you can look at that. I can tone that down, but I like that. I really do. So that's going to do it. This house is done. A couple of the other things that I'm going to add, I'm going to put a little shelf over here. And there's a real cool thing that I did with, show that real quickly. Do I have it here? Okay, there's gray. So if I take, you could take almost any, you could take almost any block, but I'm going to go with this black one here. And I don't know why that was there. That's weird. What the? That's the one I wanted. I don't know why. Whenever you continuously make things, so right here we're going to put this, and I'm going to position it. Oh, there we go. I want it right there. And then we take this, and hopefully this will do what I want. Look at that. Look at that. How's that for a speaker? Is that cool or what? Now you see how I positioned that in the block. So it's actually taking up two nodes. It's, you know, this block takes up that, but that looks like a legitimate speaker. And you could change that around. I mean, you could do wood and do that. But there you have it. There is a standalone floor standing speaker, loudspeaker. So that will do it. I'm going to continue. Look how cool that looks too. Let's do the other one real quick just to make sure that that's not a one-time deal here. And another thing that I thought of is look at that surround. By laying it on its side, you create a sound bar. Look at that. We have a set of speakers. Now the colors, you know, you can tweak the colors, and you can also, this is the thicker wool. You could also go with a thinner wool, which would probably look better. So we have dark gray wool, and I need to get rid of some stuff here because I have to pull that down. We put that in here and we get the thinner one. I bet you the thinner one is going to look a lot better. Yeah, the thinner one gives a lot better now you see that one I could have just, there you go. That looks even better. All right, that will do it because I'm afraid of how big this video is going to be. But that house is done. It is done and dusted. I just have some little bitty tweaks. I keep saying twerks. I'm not Miley Cyrus. It's just a few little tweaks that I'm going to put into it to make it look that much better. And I'll show it off again, but this is done as I fly through the tree, because what would my video be without a tree? So, yeah. Leave your comments below on stuff that you would do or how you like to do custom furnishings or stuff like that. And we'll go from there. So thank you very much for joining me. Until the next video, everybody stay warm, safe, and dry. And goodbye.